Hey, awesome learners, I'm Mary, a CAS Help Desk staff member, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to access an on-campus tutor through Canvas. Let's get started. Our starting point will be Canvas. Log in with your student email and password as you usually would. Pick any course from your dashboard that you'd like to get tutoring for. Find LAPC Tutoring in the course navigation menu on the left. After you click LAPC Tutoring for the first time, you'll be prompted with a message that looks like this. Select Get Started. Make sure that the email associated with your account is your student email, ending in student.laccd.edu. Check the box to agree to the terms and click Next. Select Learn and click Next. Choose Los Angeles Pierce College as your school from the list. Lastly, click on LAPC CAS Tutoring as your learning community. Now that you've finished setting up your account information, you can access an on-campus tutor. No appointment is needed. On-campus tutoring is on a drop-in basis. To view our on-campus tutoring schedules, click on the On-Campus Tutoring No Appointments Needed button. It will take you to a Google page. If you scroll to the middle of the page, you'll see a table of all the on-campus tutoring subjects being offered this semester. Any subject you see that's highlighted in blue like this means we offer an on-campus tutor for that subject this semester. Click on the subject and it will take you to the tutoring schedule. Again, no appointment is needed. So once you know who you want to get tutoring from, come visit us on the first floor of the library at LLC 5130. Talk to the front desk and they can direct you to the tutor you're looking for. If there is a subject on the grid that is not hyperlinked to a tutoring schedule, that means there is no on-campus tutoring for that subject this semester. However, hope is not lost. We still have online tutors that can help with that subject. Please check out the online drop-in tutoring guide and video. Those are available to read and watch on the CAS website, CAS Canvas Shell, and in the description section of this video below. Thank you. We're excited to see you in person at the CAS. If you need additional support, the help desk is here for you. Our on-campus hours, online hours, and contact information are what you see on the screen and are posted in the description of this video below. Thanks for watching and happy learning!